Hi Paul, hope you're doing well. So I have completed the work that you have told me here. So I'll go ahead and give you a kind of a demo on here, and then we can go ahead further. So starting with the data, so I have given all the venues in here, removed all the duplicates and everything, and the total and everything is right here, and the dates are here, and the dates are actually kind of changeable. If you just go ahead and change that, the whole thing will change. So let me just quickly show that to you so you can see that. Let's say if I put 8th, so you can see everything gets changed. And so that's the and thing. So basically this is a column that you can go ahead and change the date, and however you want it, you can go ahead and automate that. The status and days will automatically get colored as well, and we are ready to go in the data that you fill here. So coming to the dashboard itself, so let me just quickly give you an insight there. And so you can see all these are kind of a drop down, so you can select any venue and the charts will automatically get updated, and so on. And right now I've just given like two um, you know options here for you to choose. So where we have five here, one type of chart that you can copy, and I've also given a sort of a background with a map and everything, where everything is dynamic, and you can go ahead and see all the numbers and everything will get automatically updated. There's one more set in case you wanted lesser number of venues to be selected. I have given these things. So if you actually kind of come down and let me if you just hit the delete button, only that particular data will be gone. So you can even select that later if you want, and it'll just come back up, and you can select anything you want, and it can restore it, and you can even just view only for one data. That will also be given. So everything is like kind of dynamic to what we have here, and we are ready to roll. Let me know if there is anything else I need to work on this. Um I'll send you this file and the screenshot for your reference, and we can go ahead further from there. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.